Hi everyone, and welcome to Zoom Basics, how to get started, more specifically how to open a Zoom account. I'm Simone Sav, I'm the Network Manager for the Public Participation Network for Laoghaire-Rathdown, and many thanks to Maria Kelly in the County Council for all the help putting this presentation together. What we're going to briefly talk about is where to find the Zoom website, the difference between signing up and signing in, how to open an account, which is a step-by-step demonstration, how to validate the account, protect the password, and online security, how to set up, and how to log out. We're also going to be covering how to download the Zoom app, and we're just finishing with conclusions and contact details. So very briefly, if you go to Google and you put in Zoom, you click in, you will have this page coming up. You just have to click on the big link, Zoom video conferencing, web conferencing webinars. A little tab will open and you just have to agree to cookies, agree and proceed. Just click those and then you click close. As I mentioned, there is a difference between signing in and signing up, and you can see the two buttons there on the right hand side. Signing in is a repeated action, and you need to sign in order to set up meetings, to schedule meetings. The process of signing up happens only one time. You decide on a password, you open the account, and then you validate the account. So, opening up the account, if you click on sign up, it's free. You will have this opening up, which is for verification. Please confirm your date of birth. You have to put in the month, the day, and the year. You just click on the little downward arrow and you can select the day, the month, and then the year, and you click continue. In order to continue signing up, you have to put in your email. It doesn't have to be a work email, it can be your personal email, and then click sign up. A little tab will open with a security test. In this particular instance, you will have to choose all of the images that contain a bicycle, and you choose that by just clicking once on the little photograph, so you can select several photographs. Once you're sure that you have spotted all the bicycles, you just click on verify. The next message is their attempt to sign you up to various newsletters. You can either click confirm or you can go to set preferences. If you go to set your preferences, you can choose the frequency. So it could be once a week, once a month, or never. Whatever your choice, you click on that and then you just click submit. There's a notification that an email was sent to your email address, the email address you provided. So now you just go onto your email to see whether or not you have received it. For example, you can see that I have received the email saying please activate your Zoom account. Just a small note, sometimes these emails get categorized within the spam folder or the promotions folder. So if you don't immediately have it in your inbox, look for it. Perhaps it is there, but it was categorized differently. When you have the email, open it and then click on Activate Account. And this will bring you to Welcome to Zoom. You will have to fill in your first name, last name, and then select and confirm a password. In order to ensure that password is a strong one, there's a series of conditions that need to be filled. To have at least 8 characters, a letter, one number, and it has to have both uppercase and lowercase characters. It is important to remember to select a password that is different than that of your email. The free version of Zoom that we're describing here does not ask for bank details to open an account. So if you receive any emails that seem to come from Zoom about the need to pay for this pre-account, please do not give your personal details. This is known as phishing, so asking for personal details. But once you have put all that information in, you have selected your password, this next page comes up saying don't Zoom alone. We would just recommend to skip this step for the moment. You can always invite other people to join Zoom, but at the very beginning of the account, it is better just to skip it. And the same with start the meeting now, a test meeting, or go to my account, go to your account. You can see here the format of the account. As you see, it's very simple. You would have the left-hand side, there's a tab with profile, meetings, webinars, recordings, and settings. You also see that there is on the right-hand side, schedule a meeting. And you see several details underneath the photograph, including license type, which you can upgrade. In order to log out, you click on the small gray icon on the top right-hand side. You click once and you choose the option to sign out. In order to download the Zoom app, you go back to Zoom and you see that there is a direct option there, download. So you click on download. There are several options for types that you can download. You can have Zoom client for meetings, or if you are on your computer, Zoom plugin for Microsoft Outlook. We recommend the first one, Zoom client for meetings. Once you click on download, there is a little window that opens on the bottom left-hand side, Zoom installer. You will have to click on it. You will know that the download is finished once you have this little tab opening, join a meeting or sign in, and you also see the small icon of the camera that just appears on the tab at the very bottom of your screen. You can see the arrow there. So to conclude, a Zoom account is needed to schedule and start a meeting. You only need to sign up once. You can download Zoom on your computer, tablet, and phone. If you have any questions, please get in touch with the DLR PPN at inquiries@dlrppn.ie, or I have left my mobile number 087 455 7945. Thank you.